Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hello, privet. Today I'm sharing a simple and easy drawing ideas with oil pastels. Lately, I have noticed that my channel isn't getting many views, and I'm not sure if it's because of the content or something else. Also, I haven't received much feedback from you about what kind of drawings you would like to see. Your suggestions really help, so please do share them. As for the camera quality, I know it's not perfect right now, but I am doing the best I can with what I have. Coming to today's drawing, I used regular drawing paper and secured the edges with cello tape. I cut a circle out of soft cardboard, but you can simply use masking tape for this step. Then I use oil pastels for coloring. It's super easy and fun to try. Last but not the least, I try to mix both easy and slightly detailed drawings on my channel, so let me know in the comments what type of content you would love to see more of.